Diwali, also meaning the Row of Lights, is a fantastic festival that takes place every year across India and also across the world. It lasts 5 days and is a celebration of dark versus light and good overcoming evil. A popular legend helping us to explain good and evil is the story of Rama and Sita. So join me today with a short storytelling of Rama and Sita.
Once there was a great warrior called Prince Rama. He had a beautiful wife called Sita. One day, Rama and Sita were banished from their kingdom and were sent to live with Rama's brother, Lakshmana. A terrible demon king named Ravana lived nearby. One day, he kidnapped Sita. She was very smart and left a trail of jewelry behind her. Rama and Lakshmana followed the jewelry. On the way, they met Hanuman, a monkey king, who offered to help find Sita. After searching all over, Hanuman found Sita trapped on an island. He built a bridge, and him and Rama rushed across. Ravana appeared, and a great battle took place. Rama succeeded in defeating Ravana. Rama and Sita were reunited and travelled back to their kingdom with lamps lit around them to help guide them home.
Diwali is not just about legends and stories and lights, however, it's also about having a good time with family and friends. Family and friends often exchange sweets, and a popular tradition called Rangoli often takes place where people decorate the front of their doorsteps with beautiful patterns and flowers. Although originating from India, Diwali is now celebrated by thousands of people all across the world, and it is a time where people can gather together to watch fireworks and eat lots of delicious food. Today we're going to create our own Diwali creation. We're going to make a salt dough candle holder so that you can have some light during your Diwali festival. Now this is a very easy salt dough recipe and you need very few things. I have halved my recipe, so if you want to double yours to make more, then of course you may do that. Alright, we're going to start with our flour, and we're going to put in 1 cup of flour. This is a great time for your child to help you with some measurements. I have my 1 cup right here, and I'm going to pour my flour in. Okay, that is about 1 cup. Into the bowl it goes. Okay, next we're going to use some salt. After all, it is salt dough. And again, I'm going to use 1 cup. This may take a while. Okay, when I have filled 1 cup, I can put my salt with my flour, and now all that's left is the water, and we're going to use half a cup of water. In it goes. Now what we have to do is mix. I'm going to use a spoon first. You may wish to start using your hands, so we can clean our spoon off. And I'm going to start using my hands. If you feel like your dough needs a little bit more water, of course, add a little bit in. But be careful, you don't want it to be too gooey, as we do need to bake this and it does need to hold its shape. Okay, my dough is beginning to take shape now. You can see it almost looks like I'm making some bread. Now it's going to be time for us to mold our candle holder shape. Okay, I put my dough onto a plate just so that I can have something to work on. Now we're going to start by molding our candle holder shape. And you want your candle holder to be able to fit a small tea light inside of it. So you need to make sure that you leave space for it. So what we can do is start with a ball and ask your child to use their thumbs. And they're going to lightly push a hole or a little well into the middle of the dough. And that is what your candle is going to sit inside, into this well in the middle. I really like the shape of my candle holder. I think it's deep enough to hold my candle, and it looks round enough too. Now I'm going to use a fork to create some patterns. I'm going to drag my fork along the outside, or you can simply push. And these patterns remain even after you have baked your candle holder. Okay, I think my candle holder is ready to be baked now. We will decorate it later with some colour and also some glitter. Time to put it in the oven.
After 2 hours, I took my candle holder out of the oven. I'm going to use green paint and gold glitter to decorate it. First, I painted my candle holder green. While the paint was wet, I sprinkled gold glitter all over the top. After it had dried, I put my candle inside. And then, I lit my candle and saw my beautiful artwork.
I hope you enjoy celebrating the special Diwali period. From everyone at Learn and Play Montessori School, see you next time!